Hello all, I'm Arif, a Technical Director, Eppendorf Middle East and Africa from Dubai.
Hi everybody, this is Rami, Territory Manager from Eppendorf, living in Dubai. Happy to be here.
Hello all, it's nice to meet the forensic science community here in Rwanda. It's exciting to see the representations from the whole world and across the whole continent. And thanks to the government of Rwanda, Ministry of Justice and Rwanda Forensic Institute, which gave us an opportunity to be doing this conference.
Eppendorf is a German company. It started in the 1945. Our main concern is to drive the humankind through scientific approach. We exist in Hamburg. We have a lot of sales offices around the globe, and we are very glad to be in Rwanda participating in the Forensic Forum. We have a wide range of laboratory equipment, and we hope it will also support and drive the vision of Rwanda and Rwandan people.
So this is a beautiful, strong platform which really helps us interact with the scientists within the continent and from the globe, and to understand the challenges that they face in the laboratory sample processing, and in fact helps us understand what's the gaps there and try and best to fill in with our portfolio, as my colleague spoke about it, the kind of consumables do we have, the kind of instruments that really helps enhance their workflow and then end up with the reliable data and results.
I hope and wish that the whole countries, African countries, will participate next years for this forum, and everybody will be collaborative, and then we can unify our all efforts and take advantage of Rwanda under structure and facilities to make it localized as a forensic services. That's my expectation from here. Since we are a global manufacturer, we take local partners, local business partners. So we're supporting of the local economy through partnering up with a local Rwandan company named Interbusiness. This is why we are here invited with the help and support of Mr. Alfred. Then Interbusiness have the collaboration and the understanding principles with the Rwandan Forensic Institute, held and managed by Dr. Charles.
Eppendorf is a German company, and then we are into sample handling and processing, and therefore we find ourselves into any of the genomics workflow, and forensic science as well includes a lot of DNA analysis. And it starts from liquid handling. We are the pioneers in liquid handling by our first designs of pipettes, and we do support lots of consumables, and the expertise within Eppendorf is all about understanding the biomolecules interaction with the plastic surfaces, and we are so keen in designing all those plastic consumables where to ensure that the molecules that you use for your processing is intact and it's available for the downstream processes. We don't stop there. We have instruments and supports for extraction of nucleic acids, and then for storage solutions, and plus we do have software solutions to manage the sample inventory as well to track the sample journey in the whole workflow.
As you see here, this is one of the portfolios in the mixing, heating, cooling. We name it Thermomixer C. This is the most wanted or fast-moving item in Eppendorf, and multiple Nobel Prizes has effectively happened due to using the Thermomixer. It has a smart extender, and it has lots of different smart blocks for different volumes. And then you have a variety of the consumables that also Eppendorf is catering. If you see over here, it will be like part of the tips. So it's range, and it has color index, so you can understand which is which. Over here you will see assorted mix of tubes. 1.5, it's known for Eppendorf tubes. And over here you will see a Easy Bit. That's also the most famous pipette handler or holder in the chemist. And then over here, this is the smallest centrifuge in the globe. We call it Minispin. Also in the Nobel Prize awarding festivals, it has been mentioned and it has been accredited. And we go here to the pipettes. We call it Move It. It has a very unique technical techniques, and it have a spacing and adjustments, and it can work in 360 overview. And then if you move here, you have the well-known single-channel pipettes by Eppendorf, which it's been renowned around the globe.